that parliament. Of course, so many videos which I've not been able to reply, but as you can see, Niema Bibra, Papa Nana Addo Akufo Addo, Yama Ghana. Inipa boni phobia your madress or mobile distracted Ghana man penny keke. What you say? Niema and Ghana man penny Nana Akufo Addo, ye dia boise Ghana mino, and fan to man pefran. Inipa boni for na sorry papa. Nana Akufo Addo, baby man penny was a Ghana for bosse. Ubi drew a free SHS dear. Papa ni to kwan or America or UK or Germany or call baby Biarobe Kubiano. China near the Adina and Nana Akufo Addo to kwan to a call. Well, who no say? Enkrofoma, Ekusuku free, and Quadadi or Munim or Monia here, Aquadacradi and Gokusuku, Echiasuku fees, say. Aquada Unimushe, when you dream bia. A fain Wakakusian dear. Set what the Baby Buane my Ghana. Inti Adiciano on one yet mu pebise onko bokrono. Okwa kusia de de abebwa Ghana no so agese ne maame mu tua school fees ya ne bo den ai bedru baby kura no wuntimi ntua school fees. Inti Ghana man panyini e de to ne ho so se oba obema free SHS adwuma, which of course we celebrate him for that. All over Africa, Ghana man panyini we there, the whole Africa. I recently kwachi award wa to the din African of the Year award. African of the Year award wa recently. Yadema Ghana man penyin Nana Akufo Addo. The whole Africa. Eni munyam sekese ema Ghana man. Afe na Ghana fwa omom pe Ghana man ni yo ene ne nkan krom so asori atia Ghana man penyina. Omashe de criticality ntokwa e o parliament. Se Nana Akufo Addo ka se muntua tax ya. Tax de so bi atua. A lot of people are not paying taxes. That is why the system is not all that working. Sometimes the Jonas Kasimbia menene yadwen. Me mini obi any beef. Me o Kasimbina e good. I may support too. But entrance woman, I will make sure I will expose. Me I live for truth and I live for equal rights and justice. That is my life. But ened me wa Nana Akufo Addo. And me pesa me catch us forget Babylon for ya distraction keke ntokwa ye creating a parliament nyina ya distraction. Me who video no but me kra no me kwa na me raho. What you say? Like emo obia and distracted da. Koko anim oba no wosi wo moto no ye we moving forward. Ye be ko akoye anim na nado dan kwa na ye pe o. We are moving forward. One kase ye be gina fako. Oba ye nso wo nwuma pa wo bo no industries ya wo commission airport wa hodo na Akufo Addo commission ye nyina ye hu bi. Ghana mishia brother bi wo shop bi wa o see ade this time they are just say support to near Pama Ghana Nana Akufo Addo ye near papa o born a baso pa chese ye nyina ye hu se open okra kan ne ati bi ade de wo mo kase wa bodama na ye kra na agedi no afa ne hu se wo no wo ye justice obi ye papa obeka obi ye born nso a obeka and I'm say yeah, that's what I live for.
Kateche Frifa say he cares for the youth. My God, he cares for the youth. The budget is there. The only thing in the budget is not the e-levy. There are other parts akolebi a uchire nimu no betumi take advantage. Enti me kwesi me ba me political zone page so a dia me ye ne say me chire budget nimu dia me mpeno meka dia me peno meka na dia minim so obi kwa wo benya moa no me chire nimu na daachi bi ana so ochine bi opportunity bi ba wono so de ne ho ahye ho. Okateche Afrifa, what are you doing with your page? You couldn't even manage a simple being a radio host on the show. You couldn't curtail yourself. You couldn't even humble what just went to me and say. And like I say, birds of the same feathers always confuse their motherfucking owners. Birds of the same feathers, they don't fly together. They confuse their owners. And it's a fact. Captain Smart from Kumasi radio station went to me and handle no. Look at the track record these people have, Ghana youth. You are telling me, say, yan to ND single, yan to MPP single, yan to CPP, you be angry and alternative, baya, or Kateche Frifa, Captain Smart. who couldn't even humble himself to be a common radio host on a simple radio show. Are you guys kidding me? In any case, why no bet me me say I went to a Captain Smart factory be a beer or employing for a best 600 crowd. But look at the lavish life he's leading. And you know why he's living that life? He's living that life because me and you has made it so. We have failed to cross-check the bullshit they spew to us when they come on their platforms. We let sentiment set in and we take our political stance, and the main issue is lost. Yet the Saglime Joe be $179 million a year. The thing is not completed. Yet the NDC and MPP beton chain. Now you should be a second 1 year trace. Everybody are taking an entrenched position. MPP for Omediska, NDC for Enadiano, Enadiano Cranentisa, NDC for Chantro, MPP for Chantro. Now, who journalists now obey your research? The Apano was so sebi sensationalization. Cloth, you know, now also still radio so obitin a kura okanya no ne tona sum. Now, o de dada no say, Akufo Addo abanbo no we just aglima ato ho. What are you guys doing? Ya probi mana be di memo. They say they say yempe mahama, yempe Akufo Addo you. Why Captain Smart no katechi afrifa. Hey. Avram be Moshe. What on kaka chufan wo kemu. What on bi wan ye gbengben. What can be wan ye gbengben. Avram ejimi wan ye gbengben. No adanda no ho. O si afedio o kan sempa wo kemu. Eni ngame. Edi eni ebedi. Me na me ka me kire wo. No de age usika wo baasi mu edi awie. Avram ya. Eno na me no o si wo beti asore. Krono a wo pe na one ne elders akuska hunti no wo si asore nye bio. Ya wo hwa afedio se ye ben we ase ni na wo pa akwala nyansa wo ni tirimu pa ye frɛ no Avram Jimmy Moshe adentia ne sɛ ɔse ɔno ne de sɛbe ɔngye nyame ndi Bible ni hɔ Quran ni hɔ Allah ni hɔ yo yate Avram sɛ wo se Allah ne Quran na yi ni hɔ a Avram ho na bɔ yɛn ne de ɔse bibi na bɔ yɛn yo yate bibi na bɔ yɛn ne sɛ wo maame ne wo papa akɔda ne ye de awo yo yate Avram ɛno so ye de bɛma wo afei onipa na wo no sɛ nyame ni ho na Christopher mo na mo emobo ebre ni bedu a sei ni na baba wa kan ne Bible mu ade Bible with these days yan kan Sunday ni afane aprapra ho na hye moto am ni ye de ko Avram who switched from Christianity because the oppressor wonya no wanya wo ho no and na wadane ne ho ka kire wo say wonya nkopon a wo be brochire wo bompa yese menyankopon ye brochire a mekoi ma menye yie onyankopon tonsuo gu madwuma so onyankopon ma memba nye yie onyankopon ma Allah bless my seed Allah bless my work Allah bless my hands ekoso eye adwuma no wagina ho ma small boy bi a JSS po went to me anya grade 12 JSS ye the Avram resource brewa onya agege 79 eno no kura no obi boa no onu mo abeka kire wu university graduate say nyame ni ho afa ye start say ye mia ne kon no hu say ne ho da ho no afa de o say o nyame wo ho na Bible ne na ye nipa ne kire ye Quran ne nipa ne kire ye ntano de onjindi e ho na na